Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, if you didn't see. Basically what it is oximeter that you can use to check like your blood oxygen level and also your pulse as well. So this one that we have right here is by this brand right here. But let's open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes with the package first. So when you guys first open the product itself, they give you guys a little happy or not happy card to give like a little feedback if you guys like it or not. And then next they provide you guys a little user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then they have a little protective layer here that you can remove, just like that. And there you can see the actual product itself right there. So they provide you guys a battery right here, as you can see. So they provide you guys two AAA batteries that you guys need to use to activate and use the product. And then right underneath that, you guys can see that they have a little lanyard right here. So this is basically what the lanyard looks like. So you can attach it onto the oximeter if you guys want to carry with you guys wherever you guys want to. But here is what you guys came to see. This is the oximeter right here. They have the logo right there, and all you guys need to do is open up and close like that. There's a slot right here that you can put in the lanyard if you guys want to use the lanyard. And then you guys can see the screen right there. So they have a little protective layer right here that you can remove. But if you guys don't want to remove it, you definitely don't need to. So right here is a little button that you can use to activate it. So if you guys press it one time, it turns it on. And they do have this little case or cover to protect it, which is pretty cool. So you guys can move it just like this. Very easy. So the one that we have right here is a pink color one, but they have other colors as well. So you can see the screen right there, and you can see the button right there. So if you press it one time to activate it. So when you guys turn on the product right here, you can see that they show you guys the battery life on here. So if it doesn't show that, that means it's not down on the battery yet. You guys still have a lot of battery on here. And then on the very bottom of the product itself right here, if you guys open up right here, there's a slot for you guys to put in your battery right there. So I already have my battery inside, if you guys can see. So you guys want to make sure you guys put in the battery first before activating it, or else it's not work. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. So the way how you guys use it is just all you guys need to do is put your finger inside here and just wait a few seconds or minute, and then it should show you guys the result. So right there, as you can see, so there's the result right there. So the top part is the oxygen level and the bottom part is the heart rate. So that's basically all you guys really need to do to actually use the product itself. It's pretty simple and really easy to use. Just need to put it onto your finger, click on the button, wait for a result, and you guys are all set. And if you guys want to know what is good or bad in terms of the results, you guys can find out on the user manual that they provide for you guys. That way you guys can see. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have